Are you gonna drive the big one? Are you gonna drive the big one, anak? How come? You like that better? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shilane. Oo nga. Hello, Maricar. Ano may nagpi-play na dun sa ano ko? Sa playlist ng Team Amazing? Ah, meron na. Okay, thank you. Oo, grabe no. Thank you. Ang tagal nila, Jelana. Nag-ikot pa sila. Patay na yan, mother. Yang nasa paa mo? Ah, okay. Sakay ka dyan, mother ni. Do you want grandma? Grandma can ride with you. I'm just kidding. Jelana, come on. Daddy has to show you still. Jelana, come here. Okay, Julene, come down. What it says now? Rancher, anak. Rancher. But there's an age. So ranger with him. Listen, listen. Go. Okay, thank you. Oh, when you guys go to school, Daddy and Jelana will be like, oh, you can drop them at school like that. So that's scary. Is that? Is it so big? Oh, really? Okay, let's do that. So, do you like it? Oh, really? That's what it says. Turn with speed. Oh, really? So, what is it now? Yeah. Oh, oh. So, what they're doing? I got the yellow. I already ate the yellow raspberry. Well, use no you lose kind of thing. I seen it and I'll. It's so good. Okay, it's now you're gonna play. You're gonna play with me in this. So can you drive that one even with the snow? Oh, they're coming. Why are you screaming, Gilana? No, same trail. How about Jade? Can Jade, you wanna ride with Daddy? You need to have Jade ride with you, Dad. Hold the rack. No, hold the rack. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Hold fast. Come on, baby girl. Whoa. Juliana. Whoa. Wow, that's go so quick. Jul- Whoa. Allah. I hear you screaming. Why? What happened? You got scared? How come?